Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to replace the windscreen wipers on your Audi TT MK3. So what you're going to need is obviously two windscreen wipers. In this case I've got the Bosch Aero Twin, the AP21U for the passenger side, and I've got the AP24U for the driver's side. Now I've already fitted the AP21U to the car. I'm going to show you how to fit the AP24U onto the driver's side, and the same instructions I'm going to apply to the passenger side, i.e. the AP21U. So when you open a box, you get the windscreen wiper and you get these adapters. What we're going to need for the Audi TT is adapter number 4. So that one there, and you'll see there's an arrow right at the front of that adapter. You need to look for the arrow on the windscreen wiper itself, and you can see it's right there. And then you need to attach the adapter. So give me a sec, I'm doing this one-handed. And you need to slide the adapter down, align the circle on the actual windscreen wiper with a circle on the adapter, and then push down until you hear a click. And there you go. You have now attached the adapter to the windscreen wiper. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put the Audi TT into its maintenance mode. So we're going to get the wipers up away from the bonnet so that we can then fit this new wiper. Right, so when you're in your car, what we need to do is turn on the ignition and then turn off the ignition, and then hold the wiper stalk down for 2 seconds. That is then going to put your wipers in the maintenance position. Right, so I'm going to show you how to remove the wiper so you can insert the new wiper. So you need to pull back on the windscreen wiper away from the screen, and then you can see a little notch there. You need to hold on to that right at the bottom of it, and then just slide it up. That'll be a little bit firm, but there you go. You've just removed the wiper. That's it. This way down. Wait for the click. And there you go. You've just replaced the wiper. Right. So we're going to just test the wipers. Make sure they're all okay. Just going to put the ignition on. And then just wipe. You just very easily replace the wiper there, and you just rinse and repeat for the passenger side, and you've very cheaply, for 25 quid, just replaced the wipers. Thanks a lot for watching.